Okay. So let us know how one tier architecture, or there are one more type of application. So let us see that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So paint, right? Okay. Screen is shared.
Not yet, sir. We
Not yet,
don't
sir.
see it.
Hey. Now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We can.
Okay. So we have seen the type of application, that is one is of web application, right?
Yes.
So can you tell what do you mean by web application?
Sir,
Tell in
sir,
general
web
way.
application is any application that can be accessed by opening the browser and entering the URL.
Okay. What do you mean by client server?
Client server is pieces of application present at the client place and another pieces of application present in the server by using the client application.
We will interact with the server application.
Yes, sir.
Okay. By using client application, we will interact with the server application. It is called as
Yes, sir.
client
Client
server,
server.
right? Now let us
Yes,
go
sir.
with the standalone application. Standalone application means if you say the name, what
Yeah,
you are
that
feeling.
means single. Yeah, only one.
Single, only one, no?
Mhm.
So it means, first of all, it will tell I don't want, not required internet. Okay. I
Yes,
don't
sir.
want any internet connection.
Yes, sir.
But you have to install me.
Mm-hmm.
It means you have to install the software. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is required? What is not required?
Installation.
Installation required, and also internet
Uh,
is not required.
Not
Okay.
required. Yeah.
So let us take an example so that you will understand.
Oh, like in phone, you can use camera, videos,
Yeah,
calculators,
yes,
right?
yes,
You don't
yes.
need internet
Yeah.
for that if you want to use.
Let us take an example of Google. Is he want a software, okay, or customer. Let us take customer. Oracle, let me take. You need a software of calculator. Okay.
Yeah,
Understood. You need one of the software called as calculator.
yeah.
That requirement is given to a software company called as Wipro. Okay.
That's
Where
the
there
company
is a,
name.
very big company in India. Okay.
Oh, okay.
BA is a business analyst. He will collect the
Requirements.
requirement. What he will do, he will correct the requirement in the form of CRS, and he will convert into SRS.
SRS.
Later design will be done by architects, high level design, and also the low
Low
level
level
design.
design. Mm-hmm.
Once after these two things got completes, later what we will do? We'll go for
The DL.
coding.
Yeah.
Sir, no, coding will be done by development team.
Yes, sir.
So in development team, developers are there. Let me take development lead. Okay. Same story, nothing changed. Development lead. They'll be having 2 laptops. Just a second, guys. Okay. So there are 2 developers, let us take. So the calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
So we cannot see
So
your
there
screen.
is addition. Guys, just 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
No problem.
Is visible?
No, sir. Yeah, now visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, that code is written to developer 1.
Mhm.
Developer 2 is written code for cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, something and all, square root, roots, geats, something kachada and all is writing that code. I'm very good at maths, but my maths is not helped me. Okay. So for
Right.
developer 1 and developer 2, because I have learned so many things which is not usable in a normal life.
Mm-hmm.
So developer 1 and developer 2, they have written the code.
Mm-hmm.
Since installation is required, customer is already telling that I want to install this software in Windows. Okay. So
Mhm.
what developers has done, they have written the code. Okay, development lead collected the code. This is development server. So development lead collected the
Code.
code and compile the code,
Mm.
and he will compress the
Code.
code into a build format. Let me take, he stored that build in a D drive. Okay, in a build folder, and the name of that particular application is cal dot exe. Okay,
Yes, sir.
exe format is for what? For your Windows.
Execute. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
Windows
sir.
will be used in executable, so exe format. Now same story, development lead will mail to test lead stating that the build is ready for testing, and he will give something called as path. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you guys need to write all these things. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
development lead mail to test lead stating that build is ready for testing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and he will give the path. Path means what? This folder details. Okay, where the folder is stored. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now test lead, what he will do, there are test engineers, right?
Mm-hmm.
So test engineers is already having the laptop. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what test lead will do, test lead will pass the path to the respective test engineers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, who is
Mhm.
passing? Test lead is passing the path to the test engineers,
Mm-hmm.
and he will inform them, connect to the development server and copy paste the build in your laptops and start doing testing. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what happened here, they will take this path and they will connect to the development server, both of them separately. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they
Mm-hmm.
will connect, just click on that path, it will take you to this particular path. Okay, they
Mm-hmm.
will connect and copy paste,
Mm-hmm.
connect and copy paste the build into the respective laptops, okay, or devices. Got it?
Yeah.
Sir,
So
can you
after
please
copy pasting,
explain? Sir, can you please explain how did the test engineer connect to the dev server, sir? First, in the first step.
path is there, no?
Okay, so the same path, the build
Path
path.
means you will get something called as d drive slash slash build slash. Okay, okay. Well, let me show you. Okay. Path means what? So let me take, okay,
Mm-hmm.
copy.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is the particular path
Okay, sir.
Okay.
where
Okay, okay.
I want to access this particular page. So see here, I will
Hmm.
remove, just I'm in somewhere. What I will do, I will paste the path. I will click enter. See here, it
Mm-hmm.
took me to that
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
particular page, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Same,
Yep.
same, they will do. So it
Okay.
will
Got it.
connect and it will, what we'll do, we'll
Mm-hmm.
just go to that particular build and we'll copy paste.
Okay, okay.
So after copy pasting,
Hmm.
cal.exe is there.
Hmm.
With me also it is there, with another person is also it is there. Separate,
Hmm.
separate.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what we will do after that, we will install. What we will do? We will do
Install.
install.
Intro.
Hmm.
We will not get any URL here. Got it?
Hmm. Hmm.
Will
Yeah.
not get any URL here. And
Mm-hmm.
if you take in morning classes, in the
Mm-hmm.
web application, I mentioned we will get the URL and that URL will be passed to the respective test engineers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yep.
But when it comes to client server application,
Hmm.
I said develop test lead will tell to the test engineers to connect to the development server, testing server, and
Mm-hmm.
install or copy paste the client
Build.
application and install.
Correct.
Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I told just install the client application in your particular device and just use it by connecting with the
Yes.
internet. There is
Yes,
no
sir.
URL for client application also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If you are using your Facebook in your mobile application,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Yes, sir.
are you getting or are you using any URL for your Facebook?
No,
No.
sir.
No, right?
No.
No.
So if you are using the same Facebook in Shoda
Hello.
is are understanding
Yes,
both
sir.
web application also, client server application also. Client server application is installed in your devices. Web
Mm-hmm.
application is when you are outside, you are went to any you want to use your application. So what you will do, you will open any of the laptops and you will open the browser and you will access your Facebook account.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is web application by entering www.facebook.com.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Assume if you install the Facebook application from Play Store, that
Hmm.
will become client server.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And if you install a calculator from the
Mm-hmm.
Play Store, still
Mm-hmm.
it is a standalone because
Hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
hello,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we can hear
am
you.
I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I can tell any application which will be installed in the local device and can be used without internet
I cannot hear.
Yeah. Voice is breaking, sir.
Hello,
Yeah, now we
am I
can.
audible?
Yeah,
I don't know what
Yes.
is happening. My screen is shared.
no.
Stable internet connection. Stable internet. Okay. So see here, any application which will be installed in the local device. Local device means what? Your laptops or your mobiles. Okay, that is local device.
Right.
And or you can tell client. Got it
Yeah.
directly. Client place and can be used without internet. This type of applications is called as
Stand.
standalone applications.
Mm-hmm.
And I told you that, sir, uh, we should configure it web server, app server, database server, everything, no? Because you are telling for each and every application, web server, app server, and database server is mandatory. Obviously, it is mandatory. So if you take your mobile, in your mobile, there is already hardware and software which will support to install any of the application. Okay, where web server hardware and software, when it comes to web server software, that will be written as a code by the developers. Okay, in your mobile, web server is there, app server is also there. You
Correct.
understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And database also there. Database means what? See, what will happen if you take an example of any of the games which will be played like a Candy Crush or something, no? Don't
Mm-hmm.
do any registration. Okay, don't give your mobile number or anything. Just play the game. Complete 10 levels.
Mm-hmm.
Later, uninstall or what you will do, you'll just uninstall or you just go to another device and try to play the game. You will not continue with the 10th level. No, again it will start with the first level.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Assume if you go to the same device and if you play, it will open the 10th level
Mm-hmm.
because the data will be stored and the data will be, I can tell, restricted only for that particular device only. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So the database of one of the applications, see the calculators, whatever I installed in the device one, or can I
Mm-hmm.
tell test engineers one laptop,
Mm-hmm.
one laptop. Data means what? The calculations like adding, subtracting, and all. Okay,
Right.
Mm-hmm.
but that will be stored, no? Like if you take if you scroll up or down, you will get a history. Previously, you had added something, removed something, multiplied something. That and all will be stored in your local host only. So there you will not get any backup if you change the laptop or if you change the device. There will be no backup for your standalone application. That is what the meaning of the standalone application. For example, let me take, I am doing the class, this particular application, Paint. If you take the Paint, okay, Paint, whatever you are seeing, this is a standalone application. Got it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
And if you take any MS Office applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, okay, or Notepad, these things, and also your browser. Okay, I can use my browser. I can do some changes. I can do something. Okay, by using my browser, I can do anything. But if I have an internet connection, then only I can connect to the, or I can access to the another application. Without accessing another application also, there are some settings. You can go and you can use that. You can open that.
Okay.
See, these things and all is there, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So you can
Yeah.
use all these things. And browser is also a standalone application.
Okay.
Because I installed that and I don't want any internet connection to use the browser. But by using the browser, if I want to connect any web application, if I want to access any web application, then by using my standalone application, that is my browser, with the internet connection, I can access my web application. Understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So there are the stories with a different stories like that.
Right.
So
Okay, sir.
always the standalone applications or your browsers or your calculators or okay, you only think and can you tell any standalone applications?
Camera, right?
Yeah, camera.
Yeah, camera is
Camera.
also a standalone.
Photos. Yeah.
Sir,
Huh?
Photos as well,
flashlights,
right?
sir.
If you want to take pictures, photos.
Yeah, that is camera. Yeah.
Even
Yeah, yeah.
calendar
Yes,
too,
yes.
right? In phone.
Yeah, calendar, sir. Flashlight, torch.
Yes, calendar too. But see, calendar, what will happen? Calendar, if you mention your Gmail or something, your birthday date will be stored, or if you create an event, the event will be stored. Got it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understanding what I'm telling?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
So Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys. Maybe some network issue and also my Bluetooth. The charge is gone, completed.
It's okay.
No, like your interest you will lose if the same discontinued things happen.
And it's very interesting
Yeah.
topic.
Yeah. So you guys understood that what is web application first thing, and how can you open the web application, how to use. And client server application means what? How will you use it? And what are the requirements, like internet is required or something is required. That is what client server. And there is a standalone where standalone application will be installed in your local device, but there is no need of any internet connection. Got it?
Yes,
Where they
sir.
Correct.
have developers who have written the code for web server, app server, database server need to be installed in your particular devices as well.
Correct.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what just take a screenshot. Just a minute. Oh, what happened? Okay, let me open my notes. Okay, you take this screenshot. Done?
Yeah.
Now take.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. My screen is shared.
No, sir.
No, no.
Okay. Sometimes our days will not be good. So today is that day. Okay. So take the screenshot now. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can I see the
Okay.
next
Now let us,
screenshot?
yeah. You take the screenshot of this one. They have taken different example. Somebody is crying in the gang.
No,
No, sir.
no. My kids are already
Then
left
doing.
for school and they are old. They are older. They don't cry anymore.
My kid
They
is
make
for
me
Okay.
sure
cry.
not crying, sir.
You got. You got cold.
Yeah, because where I am, weather gets really cold in October, November. So
Okay. Snowfall.
snowfall will start in December and January during the Christmas time.
Oh. Oh, nice. Okay. Shall I cancel this? I mean, remove
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah,
So you understood, right?
yeah.
Okay. So now let us go to the anda. Okay.
Mhm. Hello.
Your voice is cutting, sir. Oh my, it again went off.
Guys, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know why it is disconnecting. Okay, leave. So I'm asking you the question. You guys heard about FedEx, Blue
Yeah.
Dart?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So let me take.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a Blue Dart. Correct? No spelling.
We can see.
Blue.
We cannot see the screen.
Oh, this
Not
is
able to see.
disconnecting, man. Every time. Okay. So Blue Dart, you guys seen, no? There is a courier-based application. Yes or no?
Mm, yeah, I never heard
Yes, sir.
about that.
Yes, sir, in India.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us take FedEx only. You've seen this, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We use that often.
Yeah. So this is a courier-based company where they are doing or they are tracking their parcels. Parcels are what we can tell. Parcels only, no?
Yeah.
In the books. Okay. It means if I want to transfer, let me take mango pickle from India to your place, what I will do, I will go to local FedEx office and I will give them that particular pickle or something, 1 kg the weight, and I will tell them, okay, you need to transfer to New York. Okay. He will tell
Mhm.
2000 rupees and I will pay that, and later he will give me a bill. Later what he will do, there is no application now, so only we are in a, they are giving the requirement. So what he will do, he will write everything, and he will just send from my local postal address to main address like Mumbai or Chennai. Okay.
Right.
From there again they will track that and they will share, they will send that to Abu Dhabi or somewhere, Dubai or something, because there only all the shipping items will go. From there it will go to your areas, like I mean, what I can tell,
Yeah. It's
European countries, European
right.
countries.
Right.
Okay. So from there again some person will be there, FedEx what he will do, will check the details. So okay, this need to be sent to Rena. So again he will take the parcel, he will send that to again any American goods or ship. From there it will reach in New York somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
From there your location again there will be FedEx big lorries. From there it will carry, and the lorry drive. So everything whatever they are doing, everything they are writing in a booklets. After, hello.
Yeah. Yeah. We can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. So after that, you will receive the pickle, and you
Right.
will call me and you will tell that yeah, pickle is very much tastier after 10 days. Got it?
Yeah.
This is a
Yes,
successful
sir.
story. But
Correct.
there is a story where my goods is near Abu Dhabi or UAE countries. That time, these pirates attacked my boat or something. The boat,
Mm-hmm.
pirates. There are many pirates in those times in Abu Dhabi, or you take any UAE countries. Okay,
Right.
they, the people they have taken and they ate my 1 kg of pickle. Okay, or some good parcel I have posted to you guys is taken, and somebody is taken that the pirates and they have enjoyed or they have taken that product, and from the next stage I'm not able to track because I track in Mumbai and I sent to Abu Dhabi. There is a person in Abu Dhabi, he's not received that parcel, no.
Correct.
So he will think that no parcel is there.
Right.
Later, after 20-25 days, I will call you. You will tell, no, I have not received. Later, I will go to my uh, local area and I will ask for the enquiry. You will tell 1 week later, you come for the result. He will raise that enquiry form to Mumbai. Mumbai will raise the enquiry form to, yeah, some
Abu
country
Dhabi.
in, Middle East countries. Okay. From
Yep.
there, they will tell, I have not received any parcel. Again, they will revert back. For FedEx, no, it is
Yeah.
taking to track one product, it is taking too much time. And also they are doing the tracking in the books. So they got to know that software is the solution for the tracking. So what they have done, customer, or let me tell FedEx CEO travel to the software company. Can I tell?
Mm-hmm.
Software company, why?
Yes, sir.
To give the requirement for developing a software. So what is the advantage of software? If I send a product, no, I will be having an application with me. I added a product or I given a product in my local area. As soon as he will collect that, he will send me message, we have received the order.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yeah. Now you
Yes,
are.
sir.
Guys are understanding, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So from Mumbai to again Middle East countries, they have received our parcel. Assume they have not received. After 4-5 days, I can ask them, no, hey boss, where is my parcel? That time they will tell, hey boss, our ship is attacked by these fellows. They have taken your thing. So we will reimburse your amount, or we will do something, or we can plan something, or they can pay you some amount. Later, I can again take the same product and I can send you guys again. But it is a loss for our FedEx, no. So the business will go down. One day they will close their office. So in order to track that, is the you want a software, a tracking software where the product is located, where it is going on, the tracking, everything will be there. So you want that particular software. What is done? He come to a software company. Let me take a software company name as Wipro. Okay. In a software company, there is a business analyst. What he will do, he will sit with the customer, I mean CEO of FedEx. He will discuss with the requirement. He will collect the CRS. Later, he will convert CRS into SRS. Got it?
Yeah.
Or if the requirement is more, there are thousands of pages of requirement. Business analyst will tell the customer will go to your place, I will come to your place and I will collect the requirement. If it is a simple requirement, since it is a simple requirement, he is collecting the requirement there itself. Okay. Once after collecting the requirement, yeah, obviously we'll follow any of the SDLC model. If they want quality software, we'll follow V&V model. If they want simple software, they will go for waterfall model. Okay. Based on the requirement, we'll follow the
Hello. Hello.
design. Yes or no?
Hello.
In design, we will do high level design and also the low level design. Later, once after design is done, we will go for coding. Coding is done by whom?
Developer.
What we
Developers.
will do? you will write the code,
Mm-hmm.
yes or no,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
and do white box testing, and you will give a software for whom? For a test engineers.
Yep.
Okay. After that, we will do the testing. What testing we will do? Functional testing, integration testing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
system testing, performance testing. Okay. Once after
Yeah.
all the testings are done and we ensure the quality of the software is good. Okay. What
Yeah.
we will do? So the software company will release the software to the customer. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
After the testing is completed and the quality of the software is good, we will release the software to the customer. So as soon as I release the software to the customer, no, customer, if he will install the software, okay, in the production server, okay, you guys know production server, right?
Yes, sir.
What is production server?
User can access.
Production server is a server. It is a combination of hardware and software which is present at the customer place where customer can use the software and run his business. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Sir.
So is install the software in the production server, is given the access for customers, but customers are not able to use the software because the software behavior is not at all good, and or I can tell the customer directly rejected our software after seeing the software, no,
Mm-hmm.
after using the software for 1 or 2 minutes or demo, let me tell demo for 1 or 2 days, or he is using in a production server, got it, what is done, he just rejected our software, or he released the software into the market, the people are not able to use the software, so the business went down. Since guys here, I will tell you one story. If marriage is happening in the house means, okay, what we will do, we will give the wedding card to every relative or friend or somebody, or I will give order for the food fellows and also for wedding event management, everything will be ready, no.
Mm-hmm.
So I will go to the marriage hall, the bride means girl, no,
Yeah.
bride is not there in the hall, she ran
Mm-hmm.
with some other guy. So whatever I have done this preparation completely, it is waste.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yep.
Similarly, I have done all the preparation here. The software quality is good, but when I release the software customer is used the software, demo only is rejecting our software because the software is not working properly.
Okay, sir.
How you are telling that the software is not working properly, sir? I have done functional test. As a test engineer, how will you agree that the software is not working? Because you have done functional testing, integration testing, system testing, performance testing, etc., etc. You used 6 months, 7 months, written thousands of scenarios, test cases, executed automation testing, everything you have done, no?
Mm-hmm.
And you have tested the software in testing server similar to production server. So many things you have done, no? But
Yes, sir.
customer is rejected the software. Why? So let us know what happened there. Okay. So Always what customer will do, as soon as we release the software to the customers, see here, there is a person in a company, I can tell he is a IT admin or IT engineer, information technology engineer, or test engineer in the company. Okay, who will be present? IT engineer or test engineer present at the customer place. Customer place means where? At the FedEx office.
FedEx
Okay.
office, sir.
So what will happen? These fellows, they are tracking the parcels in the form of books. No,
Mm-hmm.
they will install. Already we have installed the software. We have given the demo. What he will do? First, he will sign up. See, listen. How they will do the testing? Sign up. Once they will do sign up, no, they will
Mm-hmm.
not do your functional testing to check that when the username text field should accept 8 alphabets, 10 alphabets. No, not like that. They are just entering their names, their mobile number, details, everything. They will check whether they have received their login ID. After signing up, they will get the login. No, or if you are enter the mobile number, they will check whether they get the OTP. They will enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, they will get one page where there is something called as goods. Yes or no? If you take
Yeah.
application
Yes, sir.
good and something like that, parcels, uh, there is a glass material or metal, etc. materials will be there. Later you will be having something called as address, profile. Got it, guys? There will be
Yeah.
so many features in the application. So what they will do here is they will not do any functional or integration or system testing. They will enter the real-time data. Real-time data means the data which they have written in the books. It means Prerna want to send or Narsimha want to send a glass material. This is not glass. This is a glass material to the respective person who is in a US. Let me take Reena. I want to send Reena. Basic common sense is okay. Material is glass material, no. So they want weight. They will check in my application. As soon as I click on the glass material, whether weight is there or what is the weight, what is the volume. Okay. What
Mm-hmm.
will be the conversion weight into volume? There is some calculation for the products when you want to do the courier. Okay, it will not take a normal kg weight. They will make it as length into breadth into height. That is volume. Why? Because the product weight is different and also the volume is different, guys. Okay, that calculation whether it is taking, understanding. And address,
Yeah.
from address to address, they will enter directly. Some address, if they enter, they will get the pin code. Automatically, some pin code it will show, right?
Mm-hmm.
So from
Yes,
address
sir.
you enter, to address you will enter. So later, see, they are not doing any data flow. They don't know about what they are doing. Functional, they are just looking into their book and they are entering all the details and they will click on submit.
Right.
As soon as submit, no, Reena should get a message stating that your product is ready for port or something. What is that?
Pick up.
Uh, for pickup or ready for courier.
Dispatch.
Some dispatch. Yeah, very good. So dispatch. So what is going on means they are using the real-time customer data. What will tell? Real-time customer data. But what we have done is we have done only functional testing, integration testing, system testing, performance testing. Okay, where real-time
Mm-hmm.
data which is entered by my customer, the application should work. If it is not working means they will reject our software.
Got it, sir.
Understood? So
Yeah.
this process is called as acceptance testing. Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you do acceptance testing means there is something called as demo server. Which server? They will not
Demo
do,
server.
they will not install your software in the production server directly. They will use
Okay,
something called as demo server at the customer place.
got it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Who
sir.
will install? The IT engineer. IT
Mm-hmm.
engineers you guys seen, okay. There
Yes,
will
sir.
be IT team or admin team or test engineers will be there at the customer place.
Yes, sir.
These fellows are domain experts. So what do you mean by domain experts? Let me take an example. If a person is working uh, in a, can I tell? Can you tell any grocery shops in your US? Like a
Yeah.
more. There is a more in
Yeah.
India.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
You
Yes,
will
sir.
get all the groceries or some items which is required for the home. There are some shops. No, can you tell one name?
Giant or
Joint.
Acme, ACME.
Okay, ACME you take. ACME is there. What it will do, there is a person who is working in that particular place for 15 years or 10 years. Okay. Previously, they are doing all the documentations in the books. Later, see, tracking everything in the books, if you take that big companies or big marketing places, it is very hard to do the calculation. So they want a software, they got a software. The person who is working in that particular industry or for particular place for 10 to 15 years, I can call him as a domain expert because he know everything in that company, how the work will happen
Correct.
in that company. Got it? So I will
Mhm.
call that particular person as a IT engineer or test engineer. I'm just taking an example. I will install the software or they will only install the software and they will, what they will do, they will enter this real time data. It means what? They will enter some shampoos, 2 liter, 1 liter, some items, grocery items. So 10% offer. So 10% offer means how much? Like for 1,000 rupees, 10% offer means how much? 900 rupees. Huh? So that calculation and all is not doing any functional testing over there or any integration testing, any data flows is not checking, is entering the items. If you enter two quantity, the calculation should become multiple times, 1,000 into 2. And also taxes should be added. Automatically the bill should generate. Understanding? So that
Yeah.
type of data it is there in his mind and is entering that logics in the application, that I will tell it as a real-time business scenarios or real-time customer data. Okay, what is that? Real-time business scenarios. It is not a functional or integration test scenario. It is a real-time business scenarios. Now understood what we mean by real-time business scenarios?
Yeah.
If Reena is
Yes.
doing some what is that? Some doctor type of things, food control thing, no? She knows what food they have to give. If the software, one of the software is developed, she will do? She will add some proteins, vitamins, 10 grams, 15 grams, 20 grams, or 100 grams, 200 grams. She will make equal to some 350 calories. If your application is working as a 350 calories, then she will tell, hey, this application is showing correct results. There she is not doing any functional or integration testing, no. So that data is called as real-time data. So that data they will enter. Once after they will enter that data, if the software is working for few days, not 1 or 2 minutes, few days or a period of time, they will enter this all the real-time business scenarios on the application. If the application is working properly, then they will deploy. to the production server. Understood?
Mhm.
So if they are not getting a clarity, they will work for a few days or few period of time. They will check whether it is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, what they will do? They will reject the software. So all your efforts will go down. So what they are doing here is the acceptance testing only. So I have done when I'm doing the VNV model, no? I
Yes,
told
sir.
you it will be done by the customer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this will not be
Yeah.
done by the test engineers. Why? Because customer will be entering the real-time business scenario or real-time customer data into our application. They will check whether our application will work properly or not. They want their business should be run a very easy way in the software by using the software. Okay. So now let us come to the definition.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it is an end-to-end testing. Yes or no? They are
Yeah.
direct booking,
Yes,
no?
sir.
They are booking or they are doing something completely. They are doing one end to another end. End-to-end testing done by the customer where they will use the software for a particular period of time. Okay,
Mhm.
use the software for a particular period of time to ensure the software withstand the real-time business scenarios or situations. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
This process is called as acceptance testing.
Okay.
So it is an end-to-end testing done by the customer where they will use the software for a particular period of time, and to ensure the software will withstand for the real-time business scenarios or situations. This complete process we'll call it as a acceptance testing.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So are we doing any functional testing here?
No, sir.
Any
No.
integration testing?
No.
No, it's end-to-end
So
testing.
no end-to-end testing, but what we are doing here, not we are not entering any data of our testing
Yep.
procedures. What we
Yes,
are
sir.
Right.
doing, we are entering the
Real-time
customer
customers.
business,
Right.
real-time business scenarios, and we are
Yes.
checking
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Right. Correct.
according to the requirement, like whatever the requirement is given. So based on that, they will check. So why we
Correct.
should do this acceptance testing now? Can you tell
Sir,
why?
to ensure that the customer doesn't reject the software.
Customer only doing that? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then why why will reject? If the software is working or not, later only we reject. Can you tell the answer once again?
So
Why
that the
we should do?
software doesn't get rejected, basically.
Why customer is doing the acceptance testing?
Oh,
Think
because
like
they have
customer
to
side.
use it. They
So
have to
they have to
use.
use, no.
Yes,
So
sir.
why is
Yeah.
doing means you should get some confidence, no?
Yes.
Right.
Confidence on its software, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
And also you should check that software meets customer's requirement. So whatever the requirement is given here, the same requirement similar to that the software is developed or not, that they have to check, right?
Yes, sir.
So to
Yeah.
check the software meets the customer requirement, or to check the software requirement and also the software are behaving in the same manner.
Correct.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Check no features are left from the requirement, or I can tell no missing features in the software. I need to ensure, right? I'm buying a new car means I need to check everything is working fine, bro.
Yeah.
So how can I check?
Yes, sir.
By doing the test
Yeah, you
drive,
have
or
to test
Yes,
drive.
for testing
Yeah.
it.
similarly they are doing their test drive of the software.
Correct.
Got it? And also
Yeah.
ensure there are no defects in the software. Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
Yeah.
have tested, but still customer, I told you testing server similar to production server that time. There we have not tested the software in testing server similar to production server. What we have done, we just installed directly in production server. The software is not worked.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It means defect only, no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, there will be so many defects where as a company, as a test engineer, we will not understand, because all the requirement we can't be understand, no, how his business is going. See, if I'm working on healthcare domain, my healthcare domain projects will be having some different story. And if you go to e-commerce domain is different.
Yes.
Education department is different. So when you are understanding the requirement, chances are there you might misunderstand the requirement and you might mislead the development of the software. You
Correct.
misunderstood everything and you release the software. Later customer is correcting.
Yeah.
And it is not in production server also, because it is in a demo server. There is a chance that if we done any mistakes, we can clarify there or we can fix that mistakes.
Correct.
Yes.
So that is the concept that there is acceptance testing.
Correct.
So
Okay.
acceptance testing is also called as no, yeah, it is also called as, I can tell, final acceptance testing or user acceptance testing. Okay.
Okay.
It is also called as final
Um,
acceptance testing or user acceptance testing. Final acceptance testing means they are doing some testing finally to release the software to the production server. Got it? Final test.
Yeah.
User acceptance testing means some fellows in the company, they are called as users. They are using the testing, they are using the software, and they are checking the quality of the software. If the software quality is good, then I can tell acceptance testing is done. There is something called as red box testing. What do you mean by red box testing, sir? So customer, we have given the software to the customer. Here customer should accept or reject. We are in the red light. Red light
Okay.
means we are in the pause stage, no?
Paused. Yes, sir.
Right.
Whether customer will give the green light or he will give the red light, we don't know. So we are waiting for his particular reply. We are waiting for his reply. So the situation is hot red situation. Understood?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So that is called as red box testing. Got the
Okay.
clarity?
Yeah. Can we please have a definition for red box testing?
There is no definition. Red box testing is the same definition. But red
Okay.
box means we are waiting. No, this is or. It is also called as, okay, other names. These are the other names.
Okay.
Got it? So final
Okay.
acceptance testing,
That's the
user
same
acceptance
thing.
testing.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
same definition.
Right. Okay. Same definition and same thing, but that's a different name.
Yes.
Okay.
So you understood?
Yeah.
Is there any doubts?
No, sir.
So now just take the screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did, but
Ah, but what
there are
happened?
some more. No, there are some more.
Yeah, that it
Relation.
is. So first you take this. Done now,
Yeah,
both of you.
that's done.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
take
sir.
this one. Okay.
Done, sir.
Now there is 5 minutes time where I want the definition and also why we should do acceptance testing means to get the confidence on the software. You should tell full
Mm-hmm.
to get the software and to check the software meets the customer requirement. To check no features are left from the requirement or left behind the requirement or and there is no missing features according to the requirement to ensure there are no defects in the software. All these 4 points you should tell along with the definition. You will be having 5 minutes time now. So now here time is 6:15, so 6:20 I will ask for both of you. I
Okay,
Yeah.
think
sir.
now I
What
can
was
check
the
your
question, sir?
what is acceptance testing, why we should do acceptance testing.
Okay.
So I can check your IQ power now and also your what is that? Your kids
Understanding.
IQ power as well. Your kids IQ power because it is completely depending upon parents. What is the time over there?
8:46. I have my work meeting starts in another 10-15 minutes. So
That's fine, but answer and go.
yeah, sure. I still have 15 minutes, sir.
But you have only 4 minutes.
Yeah.